What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct, and today I want to tell you about a brand new product by SuperHandy called the Passport Prime. Now, I'm going to tell you what makes it special. I'm not going to go into all the specifications. I'll tell you it holds 330 pounds, and it only weighs 36 pounds without the battery. Pretty lightweight, pretty impressive weight capacity. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to put all the specs on the screen, talk about it. For now, I'm just going to tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it. And we'll start off with the fact that this is going to be the first mobility scooter by SuperHandy that has automatic brake. Taking it apart, putting it in the trunk of the car is super easy. The seat comes right out. It has armrests that are width adjustable, by the way. And there's that battery pack right there. You actually get two of them with a 13-mile range. So if you get the upgraded batteries, you can actually get up to 26 miles. So put the seat off to the side. And what you're going to want to do is lower the handlebar tiller, aka tiller, all the way down. I'm going to power it down, and then you can basically fold the tiller down all the way. This is pretty lightweight, okay? When you carry this thing, if you remove the battery, it's even lighter. So it's going to be probably without the seat and the battery around, I would guess, 28 to 30 pounds. So putting it in the trunk of the car, super easy. And that's kind of what SuperHandy is known for, making really handy products that are lightweight and easy to travel with. Now, something else that's awesome, check this out. It has a roll wheel here. So when you're rolling it into the trunk of the car, you put the front two wheels inside the trunk, come from underneath, and pick it up from the back and roll it into the trunk of the car. That's going to make it easier to get in and out of the trunk of your car. And that's a first. Haven't seen anything like that. Love that feature.
Now, before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you. Or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations. So if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video.
Okay, so putting it back together is a breeze. You just kind of have to give some action to this latch. Bring the handlebar, aka the tiller, back up. It's just a bicycle style clamp here that you use to adjust the height. With the seat, there's just a post and another bicycle style clamp. So once you get it in, you can adjust the height actually. And let's go ahead and look at the dash real quick. By the way, it has plenty of foot space. I have a size 12 boot. I'm about 210 pounds, 6 foot. I'm really comfortable in this thing. I can put my feet up here. By the way, while we're down there, check out that light kit. Pretty awesome light. Definitely a bright light. Here's the horn buzzer, the light switch, the speed limiter knob. If you want to limit that top speed, it's going to go just under 5 miles per hour. And you do get a spare key, a front basket, which is pretty good size actually. Comes right off really easily. So if you need to make some room when you're putting it in the trunk of your car, it just hooks onto the handlebars, little Velcro strap that goes around the tiller neck there. All in all though, I think for the fact that it's really affordable, it weighs 36 pounds and holds 330 pounds. That's going to be the main thing about it that I love about it. The only thing I really would say it's lacking, if anything, is the ability to tilt the tiller back and forth. It only has the height adjustment feature, but that's not a big deal. It's not going to make or break it for most people. The other thing I would say is that when you're rolling it around with the front handle, it doesn't have anti-tip wheels, so you will need to put it in neutral mode, but that's kind of normal, right? With automatic brakes, you have to turn the automatic brakes off unless it has anti-tip wheels when you're rolling it around, like when it's folded, like you're seeing on the screen now. So short of that, I mean, it makes up for it with a lot of other features. It also has the USB charging port. So you do actually have a standard USB and a USB-C charging port right there, which is pretty nice if you want to power up your cell phone or tablet. So something else that I think is awesome about this scooter is it has the stability of a four-wheel scooter, but the turning radius is super sharp. I mean, we're in a pretty tight spot here, and I'm able to do a full U-turn. Just barely. So again, this is the SuperHandy Passport Prime. So the wheels turn super sharp. Not only that, it's got full suspension. The tires are flat free, so there's really no maintenance required there. Awesome product overall. I love it, and I'm excited to learn more about it. This is a brand new product, guys. Just came out, and we're learning about it for the first time together. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. We will respond to your comments within 1 business day. Now, for those of you wondering, if you want to turn the brakes off and put it in neutral mode, it's pretty easy. So I'm going to actually show you real here. There's a lever to disengage the brakes. Now, if you have it in neutral mode with the brakes disengaged, you're not going to be able to operate the scooter with the motor. The automatic braking system needs to be locked into place. Right now it's in neutral, so I can push it around manually if your battery dies or if you need to just move it around and you don't want to use the motor. That's the switch you got to use. Keep that in mind. All right, folks. Well, this is the Passport Prime by SuperHandy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to the end for that hidden message. If you want access to a discount code, you could save big, and to see all the specifications. I appreciate you watching this video all the way through. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Have a great day. Hi, this is Andrew, my best friend.
That's my friend.
Hey, no problem, man. Enjoy it, all right? God loves you. It's in the road as much. Just like his, you can sit down on it, lift the armrest up. Go for your first ride. Woo! So what do you say we go hook up Ricky next?
Let's go get Ricky.
Have a seat in your brand new Chariot, all black.
All black. Woo! How's that feel?
It's yours.
Oh man, thank you so much.
Ricky, thank you for just being a good person and, you know, putting God first. And that's what we do, man. We just bless people that are subscribed to us, and
some beautiful weather out. Make sure you get out and enjoy it, man.
I heard you're using this wheelchair right now, and it's kind of tough.
I don't know how to thank you.
Hey, you're very welcome.
Oh, thank you so much.